This video will demonstrate how to install and configure the United States Postal Service shipping plugin for Virtuemart provided by Park Beach Systems. Before completing the steps in this tutorial, you must first purchase a subscription from our website and register for an API account on the Postal Service website. Once the subscription has been purchased, you will have access to download the latest software as well as access to detailed instructions on installing and configuring the plugin. These instructions detail how to register with USPS.com and have your account moved to the production USPS API server. Once the plugin is downloaded, install the plugin via Joomla's Extension Manager by clicking on Extensions in the Joomla menu. On the Install tab, click Choose File and select the USPS plugin file downloaded from our website. Then click the Upload and Install button. Once the installation is complete, you should see a message indicating that the install was successful. The next step is to enable the plugin and configure the global settings. Go to the Extensions menu and select Plugin Manager. Then, locate the plugin titled USPS Shipping for Virtuemart. With many plugins installed, typing USPS in the filter box to search for the plugin is the best option. Click on USPS Shipping for Virtuemart to edit the plugin settings. First, set the status of the plugin to Enabled. In the USPS Service Connection Settings area, enter the shipping username provided to you when registering with USPS. The USPS shipping username is 12 characters long and is not the same as the USPS website login ID. If the host provider requires the use of a proxy server to make CURL calls, then you can enter the proxy server into the proxy server field, otherwise leave it blank. There are several other advanced options that can be changed under the USPS Service Miscellaneous Settings dropdown. The Pad Cart Weight option allows you to pad the total weight of the contents in the cart by a percentage prior to making the API call to USPS. This can help compensate for packing material or estimated product weights. When the Report USPS Errors option is set to Yes, any error that is generated during the call to USPS is shown on the front end of the cart. By default, this option is set to Yes when installed to help troubleshoot the setup of the shipping method. In most cases, you want this set to No unless you are having problems with the plugin. The Machinable Packages option allows you to specify if your package is able to be handled by a machine or not. USPS charges more for non-machinable shipping. The default is No. The Smart Flat Rate Boxes option allows you to enable the plugin to calculate if products will fit into the appropriate flat rate box based on product dimensions. If products do not fit in the flat rate box, those shipping methods will not be shown at checkout. Finally, click on the Save and Close button to save the plugin's global settings. With the USPS Shipping for Virtuemart plugin installed and configured, you can now add the shipping methods to your Virtuemart store. Each USPS shipping method you want to offer in your store is defined as a separate shipping method. This design provides greater flexibility to specify certain conditions for each USPS shipping method. Click on Components in Virtuemart. Then, under the Virtuemart menu, select Shop Shipping Methods. To add a new USPS shipping method to your store, click on the New button. Next, enter the information to define your shipping method into the Shipment Method Information tab. The shipment name will be displayed during checkout and on your order detail information. For example, Priority Mail or First Class Mail. Select Published to allow the shipping method to be available as a possible option at checkout. The shipment description is an optional field which will display next to the shipment name during checkout. This can be used to display the shipping delivery time or other details. In the shipment method dropdown, select USPS Shipping for Virtuemart. Once the options in the Shipment Method Information tab have been entered, you must click the Save button in order to complete the data on the Configuration Settings tab. When saving settings for the USPS shipping method, the plugin will report any setup errors or warning at the top of the screen. After clicking Save, go to the Configuration tab to configure the shipping method. Select the USPS service name for this shipping method. The dropdown will include all domestic and international shipping options available through the USPS API. If you type a keyword into the field, the dropdown results will be filtered. If you would like to display a logo next to the shipping option, you can select a logo from this dropdown. If tax should be applied to the shipping method, then select the available tax option from Virtuemart's tax rules in the drop-down. If you would like to add a handling fee, you can choose between a flat dollar fee, a percentage of the total shipping cost, or a percentage of the total cart value. By default, the shipping method is set to no handling fee. If you select a handling fee option, then the handling fee amount should be entered as a flat dollar amount or a percentage. If you want to limit the shipping method to certain countries, then they can be selected from the country drop-down list. The shipping plugin will automatically choose domestic shipping options if the delivery address is in the United States, Virgin Islands, or Puerto Rico. If you want to limit the shipping method based on zip code ranges, you can enter the starting and ending zip code numbers in these fields. Finally, if you would like to limit the shipping method based on the total cart amount, you can enter the minimum or maximum order amounts in these fields. This is useful when offering free shipping on orders greater than a certain amount. In this case, you would also create a standard shipping method provided by Virtuemart to offer the free shipping when order reaches a certain order amount. Once the settings have been entered, click the Save and Close button to save the shipping method. You will then return to the shipment method list. To add additional shipping methods, it can be easier to select one of the USPS methods already created and click the Clone Shipment button. Then click on the copied version of the method and modify the options. Continue to add all the domestic and international shipping options that will be available for your store. Once you have completed the process, all available options will be listed under the Shipment Methods area of Virtuemart. There are two other important areas that must be set up in Virtuemart to get proper USPS shipping rates. First, under the Shopper Information tab, ensure the store address information is populated correctly. The USPS shipping plugin uses the shop's Bill to postal code to determine the ship from address. Second, since USPS shipping is based on the total cart weight, you must add proper weight to each of your products that will require shipping costs. This is entered in the Products area of Virtuemart on the Products Dimensions and Weight tab. If the total weight of the cart is 0, then no USPS shipping options will be available to the shopper. With the plugin configuration now complete, let's go to the front end of the Virtuemart store and test the USPS rating. First, add products to your cart and then proceed to viewing the cart. This demo is using Ripostal's one-page checkout component, which streamlines the Virtuemart checkout process onto one page. The call to the USPS shipping API will not be made until a valid billing address is available. If an existing customer is logged into the store with address data already completed, then the USPS rates will be shown immediately. Once the billing address is entered, the USPS shipping plugin is triggered to obtain shipping rates based on the cart details. The available shipping methods are shown with their rates from USPS. Using a one-page checkout component like Ripostal provides the ability to trigger our USPS plugin automatically to obtain rate changes when the cart weight or address information is updated. This concludes our short tutorial of the USPS shipping plugin. Please visit our website for more information on this product or our FedEx and UPS plugins for Virtuemart.